Cybersecurity is a broad and fast-growing field with many exciting career opportunities. Choosing the right area to specialize in can set you up for success and help you make a bigger impact. So let's explore the best cybersecurity fields that are high in demand. So penetration testing is a top field in cybersecurity. Pen testers, also known as ethical hackers, test systems and networks to find vulnerabilities before malicious hackers do. It's perfect for those who enjoy problem solving and have a hacker mindset. Incident response is another crucial area. If you enjoy working under pressure, incident response involves managing and responding to cybersecurity breaches and attacks. This field requires quick thinking and strong decision-making skills to minimize damage during a cyber attack. Now, we also have cybersecurity architecture, which focuses on designing secure networks and systems for organizations. So cybersecurity architects ensure that security is built into the infrastructure of the ground up, okay, from the ground up. So this role is great for those who like to plan and create secure systems. We also have digital forensics, which involves investigating cybercrimes and gathering evidence for legal purposes. Forensics experts track down cyber criminals and recover lost or stolen data. It's an excellent choice for those with an analytical mind and interest in law enforcement. Cloud security is a rapid growing field as more companies move their data to the cloud. Cloud security professionals ensure that cloud-based systems are safe from attacks and that sensitive information is properly protected. So each of these fields offers exciting challenges and plenty of career opportunities. Leave me a like. Love ya.